This is what I said in the end of 2024. It was about artificial intelligence, replacing humans and taking our jobs.
Here's a good example, just hear me out. Recently, I made this video in Dubai. It was about this robot that makes coffee drinks. And I posted the video on LinkedIn, and tons of people start pinging me asking, oh God, Andy, so what's now? Are these robots gonna take our jobs? Basically, the jobs that will be created to maintain, to service and fix these robots is going to be more than this just one or two barista jobs. So for each job that robot takes, and it's something like very inefficient and low paid, low quality job, it will be actually compensated with dozens of more jobs for human to service these robots. And here's my response. Just think one step further. Just imagine this one robot maybe replaces one or two baristas, and it's more efficient than humans. But can you imagine how many other jobs will be created at the factories where these robots are assembled? Maybe program support people, someone who fixes bugs and so on, people who would fix hardware issues, upgrades and updates. So there is absolutely nothing to be worried about. The job market will be transformed and more and higher quality jobs will be created. Even Elon Musk, who's gotten very far recently, working on artificial intelligence programs. Even Elon Musk in his interviews actually expresses concerns about making AI programs autonomous.
So I think we should be cautious with AI, and I think there should be some government oversight because it affects it's a danger to the public.
There is no plan to actually give too much power to AI tools, at least in the next 100, 200 years. So from what I understand, AI as a tool will be used in analytics, in parsing big amounts of data, in predicting medical emergencies, or let's say calculating risk of a heart attack in people over 65 based on settings and parameters that humans will enter. If it's a medical procedure where it's physically demanding to do something very accurately, I'm pretty sure in the nearest future we'll use robots or AI robots that would perform something that is hard to do for a human. But it does not mean it replaces the doctor. It still needs supervision. I think it will be more jobs created to service and supervise these robots. Market will be transformed, but it does not mean it will eliminate humans.
This is what JD Vance said in August 2025, which totally confirms my prediction.
Let me get your quick take on growth and this moment in time that we're at, AI, crypto, et cetera, et cetera. The Securities and Exchange Commission launching Project Crypto. What do you want digital assets to look like? And also, what about the impact of AI on jobs? Is there a plan now to fill those holes for the jobs that no doubt will go away because AI makes everything so much more productive?
There's a lot of talk about robots destroying all the jobs. There's a lot of talk about how AI is going to destroy everybody's job. I actually don't see the evidence of that.